The 2026 Honda CR-V has officially entered the spotlight. And it's not just a facelift. This latest generation is a bold evolution, combining rugged SUV character with sleek modern aesthetics and high-tech upgrades. Is this the best CR-V yet? Let's dive deep into everything you need to know. The face of the 2026 Honda CR-V is a dramatic departure from previous iterations. Sleek, ultra-slim LED headlights stretch outward like eagle eyes, giving the CR-V a sharper, more aggressive expression. The bold, blacked-out grille dominates the center, framed by sculpted body lines and a muscular hood that adds a commanding stance. It's clear that Honda is targeting a more premium and performance-inspired look. Moving to the side, the CR-V's design flows with elegant strength. The character lines are more sculpted than ever, and the wheel arches are pronounced, giving it a confident SUV posture. Chrome trim around the windows and door handles enhances its upscale appearance. Plus, those large alloy wheels and high beltline hint at both sportiness and utility. A great balance for city drivers and weekend adventurers alike. The rear is where things get especially interesting. There are two distinct design directions showcased in the images. One features a bold quad exhaust setup, aggressive rear diffuser, and a roof spoiler that screams sport performance. The other shows a futuristic concept-like rear with a high-gloss finish, sleek LED taillights that span horizontally, and a unique lower bumper treatment, showcasing what could be a potential EV or hybrid-inspired design direction. Regardless of the trim, the rear end is wide, planted, and unmistakably modern. Honda clearly wants the CR-V to stand out even when it's driving away. Step inside and you're greeted with a refined, tech-savvy cockpit. The dashboard is clean and horizontally aligned, emphasizing width and space. A large, high-definition touchscreen takes center stage, integrating infotainment and vehicle controls with minimal buttons for a clutter-free design. The steering wheel is sporty yet functional, with digital driver information displayed clearly behind it. Premium materials are used throughout. Soft touch surfaces, piano black accents, and contrast stitching elevate the cabin experience. With spacious seating and thoughtful ergonomics, the 2026 CR-V isn't just about looking good, it feels premium too. While official powertrain details are still under wraps, expectations are high for a refined hybrid system and possibly a turbocharged gasoline engine. Honda may also be preparing a plug-in hybrid, PHEV variant, continuing its push for electrification. Expect responsive handling, improved ride quality, and better fuel efficiency across all variants. The 2026 Honda CR-V is expected to debut globally in late 2025, with market rollouts beginning early 2026. As for pricing, industry estimates suggest a starting MSRP around $32,000 for the base model, with higher trims, including hybrid and sport variants, reaching up to $45,000. So, what do you think about the bold new look of the 2026 Honda CR-V? Has Honda raised the bar high enough to compete with the likes of the Toyota RAV4 and Mazda CX-5? Drop your thoughts in the comments below. And remember, the images you've seen today are concept-based and digitally enhanced to showcase the design direction, not official press images. Make sure to subscribe for more future car reviews and insider breakdowns. Thanks for watching, and see you in the next ride.